Hi folks, welcome to a new video. Hope everybody's okay. So this is day one of a big bathroom job. I'll take you through all the processes bit by bit. I've got a familiar face here, familiar face helping me today. The legendary Simon Dawson. So it's a big job, so I've called Simon's expertise in, so he's helped me for 2 days. And so the first job is putting ear defenders on, because I've decided we need an extractor, and I've gone over the top of it. Simon's already lost his hat. Sucked off his hat, off his head, which is not a phrase you hear very often. Okay, well, we'll update you soon. Hi folks, yeah, so we're cracking on with the rip out. So Simon's just cutting a hole in the ceiling there, because we're not sure where the ducting goes for the extractor, and we're hoping to swap that axial extractor for an inline one. So Simon's put his hand up the hole, and in true veterinary style, and seen that there is some clearance up there, so if we can fit an inline extractor up there, we can get loads more extraction, and it'll preserve the bathroom for longer. So yeah, update soon. Okay folks, so end of day one. So we've completed the rip out. We have got all the tiles off, including all the tile adhesive, ready for the plaster on Wednesday. And we've got the drop ceiling in and some of the boards. So a little bit of a discrepancy of over spacings, because we couldn't put, had to move that hole in a little bit. But we think it's going to be okay, uniform. So, yep, end of day one, making good progress. So So redo the boiler, redo the radiator tomorrow, and start the first fix process. Shower waste, shower stud work, and then yeah, hopefully make good progress again tomorrow. Got Simon with me again tomorrow, so yeah, we're double bubble, even more than double with Simon. So yeah, let's see you tomorrow. Great. Do a bit like that. Okay folks, so it's update time. So we've got one of the major hurdles, one of the first hurdles. Got the drop ceiling cladding in, 6 downlighters, and it's looking like close encounters in here now. One of the major hurdles. Also got the extractor in, and I'm just going to go and connect that up into the attic conversion above. So yeah, update soon. Thank you very much for all the work you've done over these past 2 days.
Sorry, buddy.
You've got me on a big way. Oh, thanks for that, mate. What were the high points for you?
I think it's just getting someone you can work with who's like the fluidity, you know, like there's like the non-verbal communication, I think.
Oh yes.
And it's like
yeah.
Unwritten skill.
It's like we're a married couple. We could
yeah.
second guess.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But yeah, ceiling went up really well.
Yeah.
And
great, mate. Well, I mean, no disrespect to the work experience lad over me. You're a lot more competent and a lot more help, and much appreciated. Thank you very much.
Man. Yeah.
Cheers. Good morning, folks. So I'm just stuck in traffic now, so I thought I'd take a moment to give you an update on this bathroom job. So this is day 4. So as you know, I've hired Simon to help me get over the first 2 days, the hurdle of the first 2 days. Nathan's been in yesterday to wave his magic steel wand, and the bathroom is now fully plastered, and so I'm now under a bit of pressure to get everything done for the family. I mean, it's the austerity for the family is now biting a bit. So although I've kept the toilet going, there's no shower, and questions have been asked about when the shower will be back on. Not real pressure, but just so that they can plan. But and then it hasn't helped that I've had to pick my dad up from having he's having his car alloys done. He's 85 and he's having his car alloys done. I said, what's next? A pink illuminated light beneath the car. Anyway, so I'm now stuck in traffic. Nathan's ringing me because he's got to patch up. He's waiting outside because he's got to patch up where I've had to cut a hole in the attic above where I put the inline extractor. So yeah, pressure's on, and I could do without being stuck in traffic. So okay, update soon.